Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Foodie Pinoy. Today, we're going to cook beef caldereta, but instead of using canned liver spread, we're going to use chicken liver. Once you tried using chicken liver in your caldereta, you will never go back using the canned version. Let's start. Here are the ingredients. 1 kilogram beef, 2 large onions, chopped, 6 cloves garlic, minced, 250 grams red bell pepper, cut, 2 medium-sized potatoes, cut, 3 medium-sized carrots, cut, 6 ounce tomato paste, 2 bay leaves, 2 bird's eye chili, chopped, 250 grams chicken liver, 70 grams olives, this is around 20 pieces, 1 cup of green peas, 1/4 block of cheese, salt, pepper, and sugar to taste. Let's start cooking. First, we're going to brown the beef. Put a small amount of oil in the pan, and once the oil is hot enough, put the beef one at a time and do not overcrowd the pan. Browning the meat before prolonged simmering will add rich flavor to the dish. Set aside the beef and saute the onion followed by the garlic. This looks like a lot of onion, but this will be completely unnoticeable after we cook our dish. Just continue to stir until it becomes aromatic. Put back the beef and give it a few mix, then add the tomato paste, bay leaves, and around 2 cups of water. Stir until the ingredients blend well with each other. Add another cup of water if you feel that 2 cups is not enough. Bring to boil, cover and simmer for 2 hours or so until the beef becomes tender. While we are simmering the beef, let's prepare the rest of the ingredients. We are going to brown the vegetables. Put some oil in a pan and once ready, fry the bell pepper in medium to high heat for 4 to 5 minutes each side. Do the same for the carrots until the edges are brown, and same goes for the potatoes. Browning the vegetables makes the natural sugar caramelize, which adds flavor to the dish. Set aside these veggies because we're going to add them in the later part of the cooking. We normally use canned liver for caldereta, but for this dish, we're going to use chicken liver, which is a good, or I would say a way better alternative. Boil the liver in a small amount of water and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Do not overcook the liver because it will be tough. Remove the liver from the pot and using a fork, mash the liver until it becomes creamy and mushy. Just continue to mash until it looks like a paste. This will make our caldereta sauce thicker. Set this aside and let's go back to our beef. We are already simmering this for 1.5 hours and still not fork tender. The liquid have reduced, so I added another cup of water. Cover and continue to simmer until the beef is tender. After 2.5 hours of simmering, the beef is now ready. I think pressure cooker is another option to speed things up. Now we're going to add the veggies. Add the potato, carrots, bell pepper, and olives. I love the flavor it brings to the dish. Mix it up to submerge the veggies in the sauce. Cover and cook for 8 to 10 minutes or until the veggies are soft. Once the vegetables are cooked, season with salt and pepper and add in the chili and green peas. Add a bit of sugar to enhance the taste. We are going to finish, so we're going to add the chicken liver. Mix it up until it blends well with the sauce. See how the chicken liver transformed the sauce into a rich consistency? Continue to mix until the ingredients are well blended. Lastly, add grated cheese for additional richness to the dish. Here's our beef caldereta recipe. Try to cook this dish this coming New Year, and I bet this will be the star of your table. Make sure you have enough rice because you cannot resist grabbing a second serving. Enjoy! Hi guys! Did you like this recipe? Let us know in the comment section below. Hit like if you enjoyed this video. This will help us know that you are enjoying our content. If you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe button and make sure to click also the bell icon so you'll get notified once we release new videos. Until next time, This is Foodie Pinoy saying goodbye, and it's a wrap!